What's up, homies? I'm here with the kitty princess squirrel girl. Let's sum it up. Get out of the way. My homie was like, "Are you still making cat videos?" It's like, "Yeah, man." Alright. Guitar pickups. How can you tell the polarity of the guitar pickups? I'll show you guys this method I made up. I think mine's the best. I need something to hold the camera. I'll show you guys this. That's so amateur. It's a cat photobombing it. Everything. Okay. So this is how you check it. You get one pickup and you test it against the other pickups face to face. These are repelling. These stick together. Okay. So this has one repel, one stick together. On to pickup number 2. A stick together and a stick together. On to pickup number 3. That one does not stick, and it does stick. So the middle pickup was the only one that had a different pattern. It attracted both. So this is the reverse polarity middle pickup. And I could actually tell because there's a crack going across the face of the poles. So I don't have to write it anymore, I just have to remember it's the one with the crack. What's cool about the crack is it doesn't go very far. It goes a little bit beyond. But this whole thing holds and this whole side holds. Gives it that real nostalgic character. So there you go. How to check pickup polarity without a multimeter or anything like that.